Okay, now you see animal part, blood. Till transpiration full, we saw about the plant. Now it's animal, blood. Blood is the main circulatory medium in the human body and also all the animals. It is a red colored fluid connective tissue. First, we see the components of the blood. The blood consists two main components. One is a fluid-like structure called plasma, and another one is a formed elements such as blood cells, which are found suspended in the plasma. What is meant by plasma? It's a slightly alkaline, containing non-cellular substance which constitute about 55% of the blood. Remaining 45% are occupied by blood cells such as RBC, WBC and platelets. Okay, slightly alkaline means in Tamil like small காரத்தன்மை உடையது. So in plasma, organic substances like protein, glucose, urea, enzyme, hormone, vitamins and minerals are also present in the plasma. Then formed elements of blood such as blood cells or blood corpuscles. First one, red blood cells or otherwise called erythrocyte. Second, white blood cells or otherwise called leukocyte, colorless. Erythro means red color. Blood platelets like or thrombocyte. First we see about red blood cells. Red blood corpuscles, you see like a disc shaped structure. They are the most abundant cells in the human body. Abundant means numerous or many. RBCs are formed in the bone marrow. What is meant by bone marrow? When two bones are jointed and inside the bone. Okay, the RBCs impart red color to the blood due to the presence of respiratory pigment is called hemoglobin. Okay, matured mammalian such as human, dog, cow, elephant, etc. The RBC do not have cell organelles and nucleus. They are biconcave and disc shaped. Their lifespan is about 120 days. After 120 days, automatically the RBC from all the parts of the body reach into the liver and destroyed in liver. Again, the RBC produced from newly bone marrow. Okay, the RBC is involved in the transport of oxygen from lungs to all the tissues. Okay, then white blood corpuscles, leukocyte. It's a colorless. They do not have hemoglobin, that is colorless, and are nucleated. But in RBC, in mature mammalian cells, do not have nucleus. It is found in the bone marrow like RBC, spleen, thymus, and lymph nodes. Okay, it is found in all the, but RBC only bone marrow. But the WBC present in are produced from a bone marrow, spleen, thymus and lymph nodes. They are capable of amoeboid movement. First we see the 5 types of WBC: neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, lymphocyte, monocyte. Okay, mainly the white blood corpuscles divided into granulocyte, A granulocyte. You see the first 3, neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, the body of these cells having a dot-like structures, that is cell granulocyte. But as you see the second 2, lymphocyte and monocyte, there is no granules. Okay, they contain granules in the cytoplasm. The nucleus is irregular. You see the shape of the nucleus like this, irregular shape. This one bi, is a tri, is a like disc shaped. Okay, so granulocytes are 3 types: neutrophil, eosinophil and basophil. First, neutrophil, they are large in size. In WBC have 2 to 7 lobed nucleus, here 3 lobed nucleus, but maybe changed. These corpuscles from 60 to 60% of the total leukocyte. It's only occupy the most of the WBC. The numbers are increased during infection and inflammation. Suppose one person having any injury or any cough or fever, that time the neutrophils increased. Then eosinophil. It has a bilobed nucleus. You see, bilobed. Okay. And constitute 2 to 3% of the WBC. Their number increased during condition. Then eosinophils increase in WBC when the person condition is allergy or parasitic infection. Okay. It brings about detoxification of toxin. Suppose the parasitic release toxin in your body, that time the eosinophil increase under detoxification of the parasitic toxin. Okay. Then basophil is have lobed nucleus. They form 0.5 to 1.0 of the total WBC. They release chemical during the process of inflammation. Inflammation in Tamil English is swelling, வீங்குதல். Then agranulocyte, that means absence of granules not found in the cytoplasm, is a two type, lymphocyte and a monocyte. Okay. Then lymphocyte. These are 20 to 25% of the total WBC. They produce antibodies. So it's the main WBC during bacterial and viral infection. B antibodies for bacterial, T antibodies for a viral. Finally, last part of types of WBC monocyte. They are largest of the leukocyte, big one, and are amoeboid in shape. The shape is maybe vary. Okay, these cells from 5 to 6 of the total leukocyte, they are phagocytic and engulf bacteria. Phagocytic means one is immunity power, and engulf means swallowing bacteria. Bacteria விழுங்கிடும். Okay, today is enough. Next class we will see the remaining part of blood and blood function. Okay, thank you dear students. I will send the photocopy of this video. Read well, see well and study well, write well, and send the copies to the group. Thank you.